Now I would like to tell you about the derivatives. In fact, if there is a real valued function fx, if fx is a real valued function and a is any point in its domain, because if a function exists then its domain exists, its codomain exists, its range exists. So in general I want to tell you what is the derivative. If fx is a real valued function, fx is a real valued function and a is any point in its domain, then the derivative, that is a very minor change in the value of y, if a very minor change is made in the value of x, we report it with d upon dx of fx. D upon dx means derivative of fx, that is of a real valued function. Also we can say f dash of x is given by limit h tending to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x upon h. This is the formula, procedure, method, approach to find the value, that is the derivative of any function, real valued function, at some point if it exists in its domain. That is derivative of fx or f dash x is equals to limit h tending to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x upon h. Obtaining the value of derivative with this approach is also known as the first principle.